These are the best dinner foods. Number 1 is chicken parmesan. Why? Because it's cheesy and breaded. What more could you want? Number R is salmon. Why? Because it's healthy and delicious. You can cook it in so many different ways. Number 3 is pasta carbonara. Why? Because it's got a creamy sauce and it's super comforting. Number 4 is meat stew. Why? Because it's got chunks of tender meat and vegetables and a rich gravy. Why? Because it's got a tangy sauce that's perfect for dipping your rice. Number 5 is shrimp tacos. Why? Because they're easy to make and they're a great source of protein. Number 6 is sweet and sour chicken. Why? Because it's got marinated meat and vegetables and it's perfect for dipping into some kimchi. Why? Because it's cheesy and layered and it makes you feel like you're in Italy. Number 7 is lasagna. Number 8 is pad thai. Why? Because it's got noodles and peanuts and it's really satisfying. Number 9 is Korean barbecue. Number 10 is fish and chips. Why? Because it's a classic comfort food that's crispy on the outside and flaky on the inside.